Welcome back to Car Gala, where we bring you the latest luxury cars, futuristic vehicles, powerful SUVs, and the most exciting developments from the automotive world. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most extravagant SUVs imaginable, the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 900. The GLS already represents the highest level of luxury in the Mercedes SUV family. But the idea of a GLS 900 takes that philosophy even further: more presence, more exclusivity, more technology, and an even more luxurious experience for the people inside. So, is this the SUV that could challenge the likes of Rolls-Royce and Bentley? Let's take a closer look. The first thing that makes the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 900 special is its presence. This is not an SUV designed to disappear into traffic. Its enormous proportions, sculpted bodywork, signature Maybach styling, sophisticated lighting, and imposing front end create an unmistakable road presence. At the front, the iconic Maybach grille dominates the design. It gives the GLS 900 an instantly recognizable identity, while premium chrome detailing and advanced LED lighting add even more sophistication. The hood stretch is forward with a confident stance, while carefully integrated aerodynamic elements help maintain an elegant appearance despite the SUV's enormous dimensions. Large luxury wheels, chrome accents, distinctive Maybach details, and an exclusive finish complete the exterior. Every surface is designed to communicate one thing: this is not an ordinary luxury SUV, it's a statement. But the real magic begins when you open the doors inside the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 900. The experience is designed to feel less like entering an SUV and more like entering a private luxury lounge. Premium leather, elegant wood, polished metal, sophisticated trim, and carefully crafted details can transform the cabin into an environment that feels closer to a first-class suite than a traditional vehicle. And the rear passengers are clearly the VIPs. Imagine sitting in an executive rear seat with enormous legroom, relaxing into a luxurious reclining chair, adjusting the climate to your preference, and having entertainment and connectivity controls within easy reach. This is the kind of SUV where the owner may actually prefer being driven rather than taking the wheel. That is an important part of the Maybach philosophy. Luxury isn't only about how quickly you arrive, it's about how you feel during the journey. Technology plays an equally important role. The 2027 Maybach GLS 900 is expected to deliver an advanced digital cockpit, high-resolution displays, intelligent voice controls, premium connectivity, and an immersive high-end audio experience. Ambient lighting can transform the atmosphere of the cabin, creating different moods depending on the situation. And when you're traveling at night, the interior can become an incredibly sophisticated private environment, quiet, comfortable, and completely isolated from the outside world. Advanced driver assistance systems are also expected to support the driver with technologies designed to make long journeys easier and safer. But in a vehicle like this, technology isn't supposed to overwhelm the passengers. It should simply work in the background. Everything should feel effortless. Then we come to performance, because an SUV this large and luxurious still needs serious power. The GLS 900 name suggests that Mercedes-Maybach would be targeting the very top of the performance hierarchy. However, exact engine specifications, output figures, acceleration numbers, and final production details should be treated as expectations until officially confirmed by Mercedes-Benz, depending on the final configuration and market. An electrified or high-output powertrain could deliver the kind of effortless performance expected from a flagship Maybach. But here's the interesting part. In a true Maybach, performance isn't supposed to feel aggressive, it's supposed to feel effortless. You press the accelerator and the SUV simply moves forward with tremendous authority, while the passengers remain surrounded by calm and comfort. That's the real definition of luxury performance. Despite its enormous size, the GLS 900 would also need to deliver an exceptionally smooth ride. Advanced suspension technology, sophisticated chassis systems, and intelligent driving assistance can help keep the cabin composed, whether